Oh, horses out. One slow out, Director Santer. Let's kiss and say goodbye. Batang Carmona now moving up by the rail to take the lead. It's now Batang Carmona. Let's kiss and say goodbye. Colby Boy Stronghold. Director Santer and Maldita Guys racing in this. Batang Carmona by half a length. Let's kiss and say goodbye on the outside second. And racing in third, Colby Boy moving up now. Director Santer coming from behind. His Stronghold and Maldita Ka. Batang Carmona moving up now. Director Santer, a long shot, moves up by about 2 lengths. Batang Carmona. Let's kiss and say goodbye in third. Colby Boy and Maldita Ka. Director Santer by about 2 lengths. Let's kiss and say goodbye now. Trying to get closer in second. Batang Carmona. Here comes Colby Boy coming closer. Let's kiss and say goodbye. Takes the lead. Director Santer. Batang Carmona. Colby Boy and Maldita Ka. But it's still Let's Kiss and say goodbye. Our Director Santer. Batang Carmona the outside is Colby Boy with Let's Kiss and say goodbye. Now saying goodbye by about 7 lengths. Entering the finish line, it's Let's Kiss and say goodbye. Second, Batang Carmona, Colby Boy, Director Santer. 2, Stronghold and Maldita Ka.